All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching us. Ooni of Ife tells federal government what to do to those agitating for Yoruba nation. Well, there's been a lot of reactions though onto this one. Well, according to the news reaching us, it had been made clear that the Ooni of Ife, Obadeye Ogunwusi, insisted that the agitators do not represent the interests of the Yoruba race. The Ooni of Ife, Oba Adeyeye Ogunwusi, has reacted after Yoruba nation agitators, the fake one, invaded the Oyo State government secretariat last week. Speaking on Tuesday, he urged Nigerians to ignore them because they are attention seekers. He also insisted that the agitators do not represent the interests of the Yoruba race. Speaking when he received in audience members of the Yoruba Council worldwide who paid him a courtesy visit at his lodge in Eko Hotel, Victoria Island in Lagos, to inform him of the 6th annual Omoluabi festival, which holds on April 27th, 28th, 2024 in Ile-Ife, and the grand finale holding in Lagos at LTV8 Blue Roof on May 1st, 2024. The monarch commended the president of Yoruba Council, Are Oladotun Hassan, for promoting Yoruba culture and then extolling the good virtues Yoruba are known for. Oba Ogunwusi, however, advised Nigerians not to give the Yoruba nation agitators any attention. He said in his words, I quote, "We should not give those people relevance. They are achieving their aims just to seek attention. We are having challenges here and there in the country. This administration is really trying our best." Under President Bola Tinubu, he is doing very well. He is doing exceptionally well by trying to fix the economy. We should give him benefit of doubt and then also to engage people. Very important, we should be engaging people to talk to others about success recorded by the government in power. For us, we will continue to uphold and then support the government, to support the president, to ensure everything he does is to our advantage, not as a race, but to our advantage as a nation, irrespective of where you come from, Yoruba land or anywhere. Speaking on the importance of organizing the Omoluabi Day, the president of the organization, Mr. Hassan, said the essence is to rekindle the fast dying Yoruba morals and values, and then as well inculcate it into the youth. He said Yoruba Council Worldwide is registered organization with Corporate Affairs Commission with vocal point of promotion of Yoruba credos, Omoluabi ethos, national development, ensuring due dividend of democracy. The organization was established 18th March 1999, just celebrating the 6th edition of World Omoluabi Day. It is a unique day every May 1st declared by the Ooni of Ife, Oba Ogunwusi, and the late Oba Lamidi Adeyemi, the late Alaafin of Oyo. We receive countless of support from all the monarchs in Yoruba land, and then this to us is an engagement and a conversation to rekindle that Omoluabi ethos that is fast dying in our society. All right, and this is exactly what is actually reaching us. Ooni of Ife tells federal government what to do to those agitating for Yoruba nation. Well, this is exactly where the point is right now. Well, somebody had made it clear that you are not representing Yoruba race because your children are enjoying You will all suffer back in the name of our forefather. Awolowo goat will go against you all, living poor masses suffering. All right, so this one is another strong one that Razak has actually commented on. Right now, the Ooni of Ife came out in his words after the saga that happened in Oyo State, where the fake Yoruba Nation agitators tried to invade the place. Well, from beginning, we've already seen it all. We have already known that this set of people, the faction of the Dukpo Onitiri and the rest of them, this is exactly what they were trying to pursue, because they have seen it that which way can we stop this real Yoruba Nation movement, to keep to keep their mouth shut onto this their agitation. They now look towards this effort of bringing the fake agitators to cause commotion, to cause trouble, because on a very good day somebody who is normal will not come out to say, oh, we have taken over the land and all that. So I think this set of people know what they actually planned, and then God is bigger than them, because you cannot just come out to say nobody should not take Yoruba Nation movement serious, simply because they are not part of Yoruba race. They are not part of Yoruba race, but these are the only group that have been coming out to rescue the Yoruba people anytime they are in trouble. Yes, what do you have to say to that onto this one? Well, that's exactly what we are still saying. If truly Ooni of Ife said that, he is totally mad. That's what Marcel Adewale has said. Okay, that's another one. Don't you start to ridicule Yoruba Nation. That faction of Dupe may go a wrong way to ask for separation of Yoruba Nation, but Yoruba Nation has come to stay worldwide. No more one Nigeria, no more unity. It is separation in totality. You may be Fulani stooge, but don't start what you cannot finish with Yoruba freedom out of Nigeria. All right, this one has been said by Ruben Tunde Trogun. All right, that's another brilliant one. Well, Yoruba tribe is the most difficult and dangerous tribe in Nigeria. Very timid, useless, and brainwashed. They are the greatest betrayer of our tribe I have ever seen. All right, this one has been said by Olufemi Olumide. All right, and then that's exactly what we are actually talking about. Everybody needs to be vigilant onto this part, onto what has actually happened. That's what we are saying. Now they have tried their best to make sure they disrupt this movement, but God is bigger than them. Without Yoruba Nation, only God knows what would have happened to all the Yoruba people out there, most especially the one in the villages and the rest of them, that these Fulani people have been attacked. Somebody made it clear that if not for this Yoruba Nation of Chief Sunday Igboho, that many things would have gone wrong than what it is right now, and then we have seen it all. It's only the good Lord that will actually help us. Well, onto this one, a lot of people are not happy with what the Ooni of Ife had said so far about the Yoruba Nation movement, but the truth of the matter is that there is God. All right, my people, what more can we say onto this? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you're just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.